All right guys, so here is a view of the truck, the way it looks at night. The bed lights on, and I'll show you the interior, how it looks with all the LED strips inside. So I'm gonna start with the bed. This is the way it looks. I have 2 strips of white LEDs on each side, as you guys can see that. It looks really bright at night. Okay, next thing, I have LEDs here on the license plate lights right there. Then on the bottom, all around, I have underglow lights. You can see that. I have a GMC logo here underneath. The LED strip lights here on the doors, they're in here. You can just see the blue color there. Okay. All right, so that's the way it looks. Sorry guys, it's a little windy. Okay, HIDs 6K, all 4 on the headlights, 6K. I have LEDs on the turn signals. Fog lights, I did the same thing. I replaced the bulbs that were in it with 6K. So all 4 of these are 6K LEDs. I'm sorry, HIDs. All right, same thing here on this side. Right there. LED strips under the dash, so everything glows blue, as you can see. Everything glows blue in here. And the last thing, I have installed LED lights inside the AC vents. I replaced all the original light bulbs on the dash, on the cluster, with LEDs. So everything in here is blue. Everything here is blue. And I controlled everything by all the switches. I have all the switches right here. I have all the switches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 switches. And then this one here. This one here is for the lighting underneath. Alright, so let me know what you guys think about this. If you guys have any questions on how to install any of my lighting, let me know and I'm gonna answer any questions. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.